Deep in the shadows of the night, a phantom awakens. With a face carved like a heart, it watches, unseen.
This is the barn owl, a creature of absolute silence. It doesn't just fly through the dark, it becomes the dark. Landing without a single whisper, it claims its throne, a master of the night, waiting for the perfect moment. That heart-shaped face isn't just for show. It acts as a biological satellite dish, capturing the faintest sounds in the wild. Hidden beneath the feathers, its ears are asymmetrical, one higher than the other, allowing it to pinpoint prey in pitch blackness. Behind the lethal hunter lies a tender partner. Courtship involves the male bringing food to the female, a promise of his loyalty. After the kill, order must be restored. It carefully preens its feathers, ensuring its silent flight armor remains perfect for the next hunt. Unlike eagles that tear their food apart, the barn owl swallows its smaller prey completely whole, a raw display of efficiency. Hidden away in the dark attic, the female carefully guards her clutch. 4 to 6 pure white eggs, the future of the phantom lineage. Life begins in these dark crevices. A young owlet looks clumsy and vulnerable, but it is destined to rule the night sky. Soon, the nest is filled with fluffy white chicks. They look nothing like the sleek hunters they will become. Both parents work tirelessly, delivering mouse after mouse to fuel their rapid growth. The cycle of the night is passed down. In the wild, survival is tough. A barn owl usually lives for about 4 years, though some wise survivors can reach up to 15. But the king of the night is vulnerable by day. If forced into the sunlight, it faces relentless harassment from crows. Cornered, the owl puffs up its feathers, spreading its wings to appear massive, hissing violently to scare off its attackers. And there are bigger threats. Eagles and larger hawks rule the day. For the barn owl, staying hidden is a matter of survival. Its golden brown back is its ultimate shield. Blending perfectly with the tree bark, it vanishes in plain sight. Instead of a classic hoot, they let out a blood-curdling screech, a sound that has fueled ghost stories for generations. But the truth is far less sinister. To the weary farmer, this bird is not a ghost. It is a savior. A single owl family can consume thousands of crop-destroying rodents in a year. They leave behind pellets, proof of their hard work. And nothing escapes its gaze. With the ability to rotate its head a staggering 270 degrees, the forest holds no secrets. For centuries, their ghostly pale appearance made them a symbol of doom, a bad omen passing across the full moon. When hunger strikes, the dive is swift and merciless, dropping feet first into the tall grass, guided entirely by sound. Success. A field mouse caught unaware. The owl's grip is inescapable, ending the hunt in a fraction of a second. The barn owl is a masterpiece of evolution, a silent phantom, a misunderstood ghost, a vital guardian of our fields. They don't build nests in tree branches. True to their name, they seek out abandoned ruins, old church towers, and forgotten barns. When the target is locked, the silent ghost extends its primary weapons, razor-sharp talons, ready to strike with lethal precision. The secret to its deadly silence. The edge of every wing feather is fringed like a comb, muffling the sound of its approach. In these dusty, hidden corners, they find refuge from the harsh daylight, resting peacefully while the rest of the world is awake. Today, their biggest threat isn't nature, but us. Fast-moving cars and the loss of old barns have made survival harder than ever. But there is hope. Across the world, people are installing owl boxes, offering these magnificent hunters a safe place to raise their young. Thank you for joining us in the shadows. If you loved this journey, subscribe to ZooVibe and let's explore the wild together. See you next time.